is Amanda from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Would you like to know more about your company genealogy using your MarketPowerPRO MLM software? So I'm logged into an admin account, and to get here I went to Company, and then I went to Genealogy, and then Company Genealogy. That brings me here. So the first thing you see when you get here is you'll see this Company Genealogy information, which gives you a little information, and then there's a Learn More button. If you click on this, another tab will open, and this will take you to our MarketPowerPRO training site where you can get even more information if you'd like. You don't lose your place in your site, and then you can just exit out if you'd like or keep it open behind. The next thing you'll see is these tabs. These have the systems on here. Depending on if you've gone through your compensation training, you might see all the systems showing, or you might just see your own. Besides the systems at the top being different, all the information in each tab is the same. So I'm just going to go over the unilevel. The next thing you'll see here is the current commission period. And then you can show Add Distributor link to distributors. What that means is if you look here at the tree, there's an Add Distributor spot. This is available for you as admin, but this is also available to your distributors in their back office by having this checked. If you uncheck it, then they will not have the Add Distributor. If you leave it checked, then they will. The rest of these is just the settings of how you'd like your genealogy to look. So you can show the full name, show ID, show username, and we even have it to show deleted information. So if you'd like to maybe just show the ID, this is what it would look like, so it makes it a lot smaller. I'm going to go ahead and leave all the information showing. Right down here, you can see this is a way of moving the tree around. So you'll notice as I move my cursor that there's a hand that comes up. That moves it as well. You can just click and drag if you'd like. You can also use these little arrows here. You can zoom out. Now when you click on one of the distributors, it zooms you back in. But then you can zoom out again if you'd like to have that view. If you want to just kind of start over, if you just click go to the top of the tree, it takes you to the beginning. Also, this is the chart view that's open. If you look over here, this says Legend. What this does, this gives you all of the ranks that are available in the unilevel tree. So all of the trees will have the associate member. It's kind of a placeholder rank where to start with. And then there's the yellow, green, and blue set up for this particular test site. Also, when you click on someone's name, you can click on Show Information. It gives you all this information about him when he signed up to be a distributor, his email, his phone number. Right here, the Add Distributor and Add Customer. If I were to click on this right now, it would not add a distributor to Chase for me. It would take me to the Join Now for my account. So who's ever signed in and they click on this, so this will also show in his back office as a distributor. This is going to take him to his Join Now. So this is not an admin way of adding a distributor for Chase or a customer. It's just showing what he sees in his back office. It also has the levels forecasting here. So currently right now on this test site, we have some levels set up to test with. So it looks like they're called yellow, green, and blue, and they have some percentages amount. So this will all be different depending on how you have yours set up, but it just gives you an example of what it shows for this particular one. Has a volume of 426, a percentage of 25 for Chase, and he earned $106.50 commission off of that. So just an example of what that would look like. I'm going to go ahead and hide that. All right, let's go to the search. So on the search, the first thing that I want to let you know is you can go ahead and sort here. So if you want to sort, put all your levels together, you can sort all your ranks together if you'd like. Here's names, enrollment dates, maybe a good one to sort by dates. And this gives you lots of information too. So depending on the distributor, so if I wanted to put in a distributor, let's just make one up, 100,016. And you click search right here, this gives me all the information about this distributor, where they're at on my tree. So this particular person, Piper Pierce, is on level 2. So if I go to the chart view, here I am and I count down 2, 1, 2, we should find them. Here they are, 100,016, Piper Pierce. Go back to the search. Also, it gives them their rank, their enrollment date, their phone number, and their email. You can also view their tree. So let's go ahead and view their tree. This is what their tree. They don't have anybody underneath them right now. I'm going to go ahead and go back. Let's go back to the search. You can also change this to give more information in the window. So look at all the information you can get if you just kind of want it all in one place. It's just a great place to get lots of different information as well. Also, if you just need something to kind of remind you of what the instructions are for the genealogy, there's just a few key points here that you can look over, which are good to know. I'm going to go back to the chart view. You'll notice that some of these are in different colors. That's all how you have set up. So it might look completely different than this, but if you do have colors set up for your ranks, those would be showing up. So it just kind of gives you a good idea about everything that you can view in the genealogy, company genealogy. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit help desk ticket requests at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.